Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, make sure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from the wall. To ensure safety, remove the battery if your model allows it. Next, flip the laptop upside down. You'll see several screws securing the bottom panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you have trouble identifying any screws, refer to your user manual or online guides for your specific model. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom panel using a plastic spudger. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After you've successfully removed the panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. Now, locate the RAM slots. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 typically has 2 slots, one of which may already be occupied. If you're looking to upgrade, you'll want to replace the existing RAM or install additional RAM in the empty slot. Handle the RAM modules with care, avoiding contact with the gold connectors. If you're replacing existing RAM, carefully disengage the clips on either side of the module. The RAM will pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it. Insert the new RAM module at the same angle, ensuring the notch aligns with the slot. Press down firmly until the clips click back into place. If you're adding RAM to the empty slot, simply insert it in the same manner. It's important to ensure that both modules are properly seated. Before reassembling your laptop, take another moment to clean the internals if necessary. With the RAM securely installed, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it properly and gently press down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Replace all screws that you removed earlier, securing the panel. Now, reconnect the battery if you removed it, plug the laptop back in, and power it on. Once your laptop boots up, you can check if the new RAM is recognized by going to the system information in Windows. This upgrade should significantly enhance your gaming experience. If you encounter any issues during this process or don't feel comfortable performing this upgrade yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. This way, you can ensure your laptop is in expert hands while you relax. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.